Hi, I'm Allie.
And I'm Bridget.
And we are going to do a little product spotlight for you today on one of our newest Potomac crystal products, which is our Potomac Crystal Links. And when we're looking at the links, there's a lot of kind of different options here. Bridget's thrown together some things. We have them in how many different shapes? I think seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different shapes.
Yep.
And they are a gold-plated link, so they come bagged in little individuals or little sets for some of the little tiny guys. And there's all different shapes to work with. I think we have them all represented now in here. And one big guy. Ooh, I like that jade color, that green aventurine color. So kind of put those on here. And the most simple thing that you did with the links, so Bridget had fun putting them together.
And really all I did was just take a variety and then just use jump rings. And so with this bracelet, it's really, you know, just all those different colors just with those little jump rings. It maybe took me 5 minutes.
Yeah, to put those all together. I know this is like the instantaneous jewelry. And the cool thing is you can do these too, just thinking in some birthstone colors. You can do some mother's bracelets. And you don't have to have the whole thing done like that. You could add some chain. Actually, that would look really cute just as a simple necklace. Simple one in the middle. Especially those little ovals guys or the diamonds. I like what you do with the diamond there though. You
and then, so this one is kind of just a pendant. I have a bigger jump ring so you can connect your chain there. And again, just using the small jump rings to a smaller one and then just a fun tassel.
And what do we've got? We've got 11 by 17 and then our triangles are 18. Yep, 18 millimeter. Yeah. And you can go the opposite way too. So the triangles are kind of fun because you can do big on the bottom, you can do small on the bottom and kind of change up the way they look. And then I love the elegant look of just those little drops.
I really like these. These are just the check drops there. And again, just having a jump ring to connect them.
And that must be like a 20 gauge jump ring?
This one is, so it can fit through that
ring,
that drop.
And if you're doing one like this, you have a little bit bigger opening. So 20, 18 gauges even better if you're going to have nothing. But this is super light, even though it's the crystals, and the magnet too is a really, really super light thing here. I like the addition of the little tassels. Of course, we're into tassels.
I know.
So so that constant. And we were talking before we did this little video about the idea of literally taking some of your components or some things that are already made and using these as links to link them together. So if I have these 2 earrings here that we did, and let's see if we've got, you can put some jump rings, get this kind of topaz one in there, link those together, and it completely transforms and makes a difference. So all you're gonna do, grab your needle nose pliers there. Let's use these 2 beautiful green colors. And so you're just gonna take this oval here and jump ring that, and then you can take to chain too. Like I said, you could take to chain and just close that up, put a jump ring on, and go into there. So when you're looking, so you just have that needle nose, link it to it. I don't know, if you can get it. You might actually be able to get it onto a link. So link that up there together.
And I only have one needle nose one set of pliers.
I know, I should have grabbed you another one. So here's it'll work. Will work enough just to show. So it is advised to use pliers. But yeah, that's a cute, just little addition for a lot of the different, components.
It would even be fun just putting, you don't have to use all the same shape together. I think it'd be fun just kind of throwing like all the different ones together.
In a bracelet. It reminds me of a bracelet that my grandmother used to have that she probably bought in like the 60s, and that she had all of these different shapes and kind of colors together on a bracelet, linking all those different colors. I like the idea of putting chain in between and making it a long necklace. So same idea as kind of linking that up, but throwing, like you said, that different shapes in along the way and wearing it almost
just
like
as an overhead necklace,
almost like the kind of anytime necklace, but in gemstones and links, throwing in the different colors and the different shapes as well. So it's a fun new product line that we're carrying here at Potomac Beads. And when you are kind of checking them out, check out all the different styles, the different colors. They match up really well with the other Potomac crystals, so you can kind of check out and see. And they're really like 1-minute projects. So we joke about those, like, can we do it in 5 minutes? This is like not even.
Like the earrings here, I mean, they look a lot more fancy and elegant than
I'm
just
gonna put
taking
them on. They
a minute to
match
make.
my shirt. Yeah. So if you want to, you can check them out at potomacbeads.com. There's below the video near that subscribe and like. There'll be links to them as well that you can check them out on our website. And then remember, with that subscribe and like, we always like if you like us and give us a little thumbs up. You can subscribe to get regular updates from us as well. And then keep in mind, we love to hear your comments, what you'd like to see, how you want this product line expanded, the different colors, what you're going to make in it, and give other people in the community ideas as well. So from Bridget and I, thanks so much for watching, and enjoy getting your hands on some of these Potomac crystal links.